up with a pretty clever mounting system with the XRT. Pretty stoked to see everything that they have come up with. Take a look at under the body. You can see those 4 clips. The clips will mount right into the chassis. You can see on the front and on the roof of the body, we have some air vents to give a little bit of airflow. Oh my gosh, check out this wing. It is massive. I also want to let you guys know that the XRT does come stock with a wheelie bar. Suspension feels really good right out of the box. The XRT comes with your dual battery compartments. It comes with 2 fans running parallel over the heatsink. You got your receiver, your ESC, and your motor. All you do is set it on top, push down, and you're ready to go. Take a look at the tires. They are massive. It is huge. The thread looks and feels really firm on these tires. Here it is, guys, the newly released Traxxas XRT. Overall, I got to say I'm really impressed with the build quality of the Traxxas XRT. This thing is massive. I can't wait to go bashing. Now, if you'd like to see the first run of this thing, like and subscribe and follow for more.